Quantico. The academic language in the published reports is maybe 3 dozen off our list, and I don't even have samples for 3 dozen more.
You keep seeing it in your mind, don't you?
Yes.
Did it shake you up? You damn right it did. Shook me up.
It was outside my training. An enemy has an agenda, and we fight to block it. That, it had no agenda.
Major, a great writer, once said, "There are clefts in the rock where we see the back part of God and tremble." There's no training for what you saw out there, because it's not an enemy that confronts us, it's a new power let loose through a crack in the cliff of nature's mystery. And how many times do you think that's happened in all of human history? Fire, the splitting of the atom, the universe unveils a secret. And people recoil, cowering in fear and awe. And then comes the person who stops trembling, who steps forward to face the flame and seizes the burning stick and says, "This will I master and use." And civilization's history is written by those men. Major, we've glimpsed the back part of God. And for our nation and for our way of life, I intend to put a harness around it. And history will say that here at this moment, we confronted our fear. You're a good soldier, Kathleen. If you want to go back up the rabbit hole, you go with nothing but my thanks.
I'd just be staring out the window wondering who was screwing it up in my place.
All right.